My name is Jay Brown, and I'll be recording a video for my MMIS 6295 class with Georgia College and State. And this is my AWS assignment. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Launch a Virtual Machine. And then we're going to look for Ubuntu and hit Select. We'll review and launch, and then launch it again. This time we're going to create a new pair. The new key pair is going to be J125, and then we'll download that key pair and launch instances. Now, in the meantime, what we're going to do is go to our putty key generator. We're going to hit load. You can see we need to look for all of our files. Let's do this. Make it a little easier. We'll add it to our desktop. And there we have it, J125. And we'll create a passphrase. And then we'll save the private key, J125. And this time we're going to save it as a PPK file. And then we can exit out of this. We should be able to view our instances here, and it should be running. And we want to go ahead and copy that IP address. This time we're going to pull up our putty configuration. Then we'll go to SSH and look for auth and insert our PPK file. And we see it there, J125. We'll hit open, hit yes, and then we're going to log in as Ubuntu. We'll put in our access key. And then the first thing we're going to do is update. And the next thing we're going to upgrade. Now that that's done, we're going to hit Y. And you can see our system is upgrading. We're just about done. Okay. We want to go ahead and add our user. And that user's Luke. We'll hit Y. And then we'll add our group. I'm going to go back to our home directory. All right, now we're going to look for Luke. Change it to Home Star Wars. We'll hit escape. And then go back to the home drive. All right. Now we're going to add our directory. We'll add Chewbacca. Now we want to give Luke permission. Now let's change the group. And then we're going to move it. Now we're going to log in to the user Luke. We're going to clear this out. And there we have it.